AI just keeps getting wilder. In 2025, there are websites powered by artificial intelligence that would have sounded like science fiction just a few years ago. Some of these sites are so advanced, so creative, and so unexpected, you might not believe they're real, but they are. And they're changing everything. So, what are the most mind-blowing AI websites you won't believe exist in 2025? And how are they quietly transforming the way we work, create, and even think? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll discover tools that can write, design, code, and even dream for you. And you'll see why the AI web revolution is just getting started. Let's jump in. To understand how we got here, let's rewind for a second. Back in 2020, AI websites were mostly simple chatbots or image generators. They were fun but limited. Fast forward to 2025, and the landscape has exploded. Now, AI websites can create entire videos, design apps, generate music, and even build other AI tools, all in your browser, often for free. This leap didn't happen overnight. It's the result of open-source breakthroughs, fierce competition between tech giants, and a new wave of startups pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The result? A new internet, powered by intelligence. But which sites are truly next level? Which ones will actually blow your mind? Let's break it down. First up, RunwayML.com. If you thought AI video was just a gimmick, think again. Runway's Gen 3 Alpha model lets anyone create cinematic videos from a simple text prompt. Type "a futuristic city at sunset" and watch as Runway generates a short film, complete with motion, lighting, and style, all in your browser. Filmmakers, marketers, and educators are using Runway to storyboard, create explainer videos, and even produce music videos. The best part? You don't need a Hollywood budget or technical skills, just your imagination. Next, Perplexity.ai. This isn't just a search engine. Perplexity is like having a research assistant, fact checker, and writer all in one. Ask it a complex question, and it scours the latest research, news, and databases to give you a clear-sighted answer, often in seconds. In 2025, Perplexity's Copilot mode can even run multi-step research tasks, summarize YouTube videos, and generate custom reports. For students, journalists, and anyone who needs real answers, it's a total game changer. Now, let's talk about Wizard.io. Imagine sketching a rough idea for an app or website on a napkin, snapping a photo, and having a working prototype ready in minutes. That's Wizard. Its AI turns hand-drawn wireframes or text descriptions into interactive designs. Instantly, startups and designers are using Wizard to go from idea to prototype at lightning speed. It's making app development accessible to anyone. No coding required. Next up, Suno.ai. Music generation has gone mainstream. Suno lets you create original songs in any style just by describing what you want. Type "upbeat pop song about summer adventures," and Suno's AI composes the melody, writes the lyrics, and even sings it for you. Musicians, content creators, and even brands are using Suno to generate background tracks, jingles, and full songs, all copyright-free and ready to use. Now, let's look at Gamma.app. Presentations used to be a chore. Gamma changes that. Just type your topic, and Gamma's AI builds a beautiful interactive presentation, complete with images, charts, and talking points. You can edit, share, and present right from your browser. Teachers, business owners, and students are saving hours with Gamma, focusing on their message instead of fiddling with slides. But here's where it gets even more mind-blowing. Devin.ai is the world's first fully autonomous AI software engineer. Give it a project, like "Build me a website for my bakery," and Devin writes the code, tests it, and even deploys it online. It can debug, update, and maintain software with minimal human input. Developers are using Devin to automate repetitive coding tasks, while non-coders are launching projects they never thought possible. And then there's Leonardo.ai. Leonardo is an AI art studio in your browser. It can generate stunning illustrations, concept art, and even 3D models from a simple prompt. Game designers, artists, and marketers are using Leonardo to create assets in minutes. not weeks. So, what does all this mean? In 2025, AI websites aren't just novelties. They're the new infrastructure of the internet. They're making creativity, productivity, and innovation accessible to anyone with a browser. The pace of change is staggering. OpenAI's GPT-5 is rumored to be powering new writing and coding sites. Apple's on-device AI is making privacy-first web tools possible. Anthropic's Claude 4.5 is pushing the boundaries of safe, reliable AI for the web. But with all this power comes new challenges. Deepfakes, misinformation, and job automation are real concerns. The story of 2025 isn't just about what AI can do. It's about how we choose to use it. Let's step back. The most mind-blowing AI websites of 2025, Runway, Perplexity, Wizard, Suno, Gamma, Devin, and Leonardo, aren't just tools. They're signposts on the road to a new era, an era where intelligence is everywhere, creativity is amplified, and the barriers to entry are lower than ever. But here's the real takeaway. The future of the web isn't being decided in boardrooms or secret labs. It's being shaped by you, the creators, the learners, the dreamers who pick up these tools and build something new. So, what will you do with this power? Will you create a film with Runway? Design your dream app with Wizard? Compose a hit song with Suno? Or launch your next big idea with Devin? The choice is yours. The tools are real. The only limit is your imagination. Which AI website blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the future of technology.